and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Barcelona home shirt, and this is from the 24-25 season. This shirt was purchased from fofoshop4.com, and all details for Fofoshop4 will be in the description of this video. I'll also try and find a DHgate link for exactly the same shirt. If I can't, I'll find a link to the seller that I tend to use when I purchase from DHgate. Now, as you can see, the shirt comes in a standard Nike bag. On the flip side, it does just have the standard health warnings. Now, I have done Barcelona shirts before, but I'm not always a fan of them. They do always kind of look the same. I'm not always a big fan of the Nike Barcelona collar shirts either. I don't know what they do with the collars on these ones, but they just seem to be quite loose and quite around the neck. But I thought it was about time that I got another Barcelona shirt, and we'll take another look at it to see if they have improved them. So as I said, this is from fofoshop4.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. If you are new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions or messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But what we'll do now is we'll open the bag and we'll have a look at the Barcelona home shirt for the 24-25 season. Okay, so if we start with the collar that I moaned about, I've got to say, actually, this one looks a lot better than some of the shirts that I've done previously. This does not look as low down. So hopefully they've figured out or fixed the Barcelona collar problem. The power of our football has been heat pressed on the sleeve. The Nike emblem has been embroidered in. This is the fans version of the shirt. And on this side, Light TV, so I guess that's a sleeve sponsor. It's been heat pressed on, and that's got like a rubbery feel to the texture. Barcelona crest embroidered into the material. Actually doesn't look too bad. Again, sometimes on the Barcelona ones you get a lot of white around there, but in all honesty, from a distance, not bad at all. Spotify has been heat pressed on, and that's the same texture as that there. So it's like a rubbery vinyl. At the bottom, Nike continued with the engineered emblem with a product code on it. I put my hands through it. You can just about see my hand, so you know it is relatively see-through still. But it's more for the fact that it's a lightweight material. But yeah, nothing overly exciting about this Barcelona shirt. Indent sleeve down the side there. I guess having the badge in the centre is quite nice, but Barcelona are quite reserved with the shirts, I've got to say. Let's flip it around and we'll take a look at the back. Okay, we're on to the reverse side. Collar line looks absolutely fine on the back. Got the flag here, which has been heat pressed on, and that is a proper vinyl, hard vinyl, if you can hear. No name or number or anything on the back of this one. It is relatively plain. I think a name and number would look quite good on this one. And at the bottom we do have the traditional charity sponsor, the UN Refugee Agency, so to say. Again, that is the same vinyl as that's on the front of the shirt for the Spotify. It's a rubbery texture to it, but that looks to have gone on relatively well, I've got to say. Stitching all looks on point. Yeah, can't fault that at all. Okay, what we'll do is we'll flip it inside out and we'll take a look at that now. Okay, we're now on the inside. And the collar line looks pretty good actually. Little join there, but nothing to be annoyed about. Nike emblem has been embroidered in nicely. Little join there, but that's what you expect to see. They're getting really good at the Nike ones now. Barcelona crest again, you see a couple of joins, but that's absolutely fine. We will have the Spotify sponsor here, and that's been pressed on lovely. There are a couple of creases, but that's just from where the shirt's been in the bag. Sleeve sponsor, again a big crease there from the bag, but the sponsor has gone on lovely. And likewise, where we had the patch on this side, you can see that just about there. But again, no creases or anything where it's been put on. At the bottom here we have the Nike engineered. That's been glued on actually, but looking good. Hemline looks absolutely fantastic. Stitching on this one actually does look pretty much on point. The seller, fofoshop4.com. All details in the description of this video. A little bit of excess cut on there, but we'll just get some scissors on that. Yeah, you can see it now better. But yeah, looking tidy. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt. We'll start with the tag. You just get these standard Nike tags on them. It does show it's the size XL. This is the fan version, so my recommendation pretty much is if you are an XL with the fan ones, then you are going to be good to go. The player ones in particular are the ones that you need to size up on. If you want a tighter fit, then go one size up. But if you want it so it's a nice, comfortable, loose fit, then you should go 2 sizes up. It shows here as well, XL. Dry fit is at 125. It's been heat pressed on. Again, it's the rubber sort of vinyl. Down here we have the washing instructions. Recommendation, hand wash only, and make sure your shirt is flipped inside out. And when you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Do not put it in any form of a tumble dryer or anything like that. Only creases are from the bag. I've got to say, although it may be a traditional Barcelona, nothing exciting, it's a really good shirt. And there we have it, the Barcelona home shirt for the 24-25 season from fofoshop4.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video, so if you want to see their website, go and find that link. I'll also try and find a DHgate link for either this shirt or the seller that I tend to normally use. That gives you then a bit of an option for where you want to look at these Barcelona shirts from. But as I said, the seller is fofoshop4.com. Pretty much standard sort of Barcelona shirt, but I've got to say, this is probably one of the better ones that I've seen for a while. The collar on it looks spot on, can't fault that at all. The quality as well is really good, so totally happy with this one. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments or questions below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But this was our Barcelona 24-25 home shirt from fofoshop4.com. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.